always, Alyssa. So today I have a very special and cute guest, Omi. Say hi, everybody.
Hi.
So today, what are we going to be doing, Omi?
I'm gonna be doing these.
Oh, he's playing with things that you guys can't see. Well, today we're going to be doing a twin telepathy milkshake challenge. It's going to be so fun. For this challenge, I'm going to be trying to read Owen's mind. So basically, we're going to put the ingredients or toppings, whatever it is, in front of him, and he's going to pick one. I'm not going to be looking, and I'm going to see if I can read Owen's mind and pick the same thing he picked. I'm going to turn to the side so I can't see.
Okay, Owen, you don't have to close your eyes. Okay, here's your choices. Which one are you gonna pick? Which is your favorite? Okay, let's see if Alyssa can figure it out. Which one did he pick?
I think, did he pick this one?
Yeah.
Yes!
He tried to pick two. Do you want to try to guess the second one he would have chosen? Oh,
That one?
he just gave it away.
I love you.
I love you. That's so
Yeah.
nice.
Which one do you like of those two?
This one.
This one right here? Okay, go ahead, Alyssa.
I have a feeling he picked the chocolate syrup. Am I right?
Yep.
Yay! We got it right. High five. It's time for the third round. This is gonna be a good one.
I just put this on in my water.
Oh, we're gonna put water in it? Oh, okay.
Oh, no.
The water in it.
Okay, Alyssa, turn to the side. Okay, here's your three choices. Which one do you want to choose? Okay, Alyssa, go ahead and turn to the side and try to figure it out.
I kind of think he picked this one.
No.
Oh, did he pick this one?
Yes.
Yes. That. Dang it. It's time for the next round.
These are the toppings to go on top of your milkshake. Which one should you get? Alyssa, go ahead and choose.
I have a feeling he picked M&M's. Did you?
Yeah.
Yay! I knew you love M&M's. Oh, and doing some sampling. Oh, lots of sampling. You should try it and see if you like it. Is it good?
His face isn't saying that it's good.
Oh.
Did anyone else notice how our M&M box has almost all blues?
Yellow and green.
Yellow and green? You're right.
Here's your next choice, Owen. Which one do you like?
This one.
Okay, Alyssa.
You probably picked this one, right?
Yep.
Yes, I knew it. Wow, we're really good at this challenge, right, Owen?
Yeah.
Looks like you know Owen pretty well.
This is fun.
It is fun. I love it. I can't wait to blend it all together, right?
Yeah. This is exciting.
We have 2 more rounds, Owen. Are you ready for this?
Yeah, it's exciting.
Okay, Owen. This round you're choosing a milk flavor. Which one do you like?
This one and this one and this one.
You like all of
You
them?
have to only pick one.
Pick your very favorite.
This one.
Okay, so you made your final choice for the smoothie. You love all the milks, but this is the one for the smoothie. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Okay, Alyssa, go ahead and turn.
Did Owen pick this one?
Yeah.
Yay!
Yay!
Yes!
That was close because he first picked the other ones.
I love
And then at the-
this. I love this.
Can you imagine if he picked strawberry?
He was at first. And then at the very last second, he chose the chocolate.
We're on to the ice cream round, and I can't wait. Okay, Owen, which one do you like?
That one? Okay.
This one.
Oh, actually that one? Okay, turn and pick the one you think Owen would have chosen.
Did he pick this one?
Yes!
He did! Oh, I wanted the other one.
That's the one Alyssa didn't want. You know, he actually picked this one at first. And then he chose that one.
Aw, dang it.
That's the one she's like, please don't pick that one.
I've only gotten one wrong so far in the whole game. I've got the blender out, and now it's time to make a smoothie, all based on Omi's choices.
Yeah. I like to make it. That's what I came in for.
Okay.
I'll read this one.
This one?
This one. Yes,
This
that
one you picked? I knew that was good?
Yeah.
Whoa, look at that, Omi. Is that cool? Next, let's do some milk. This one's gonna be so chocolatey. Yes?
I like that song. It's so gummy bear.
I like that song
I am a
too.
gummy bear. I'm a gummy bear. That's my favorite song in the whole world.
Do you want to add those in here?
Yeah.
Good job! Now we're going to add the Jello.
I want to do that.
So carefully pour it in. Squeeze it a little bit. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Oh. Not that much. Good job.
I am a gummy bear. 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 I am a gummy bear.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah. Do. Let me have
Sniff it. I don't think it's gonna work that way.
Get back the
Scoop, there it is. Scoop, there it is. Scoop, there it is. Do you want to put the M&Ms on the top when it's finished? Okay, that's fine. Are you ready, Omi? 3. You want to press this one? Like that. Press. Yeah, ready, set, go. Okay, we have our 2 cups, so you can try it.
Yeah.
You think it's gonna taste good?
Yeah.
I think it's gonna taste super good.
And you put the M&Ms in
So
it.
good. It has such a perfect consistency.
Whoa.
Okay, let's do cheers. Cheers. It's good. Do you like it?
Yeah. M&Ms, the biggest one.
Oh my gosh, how did we forget the M&Ms?
Give me my M&Ms with this.
Ooh, lots of M&Ms.
That's enough.
Wow, that's a lot of M&Ms. You must really like M&Ms. Wow. I'll have one. Well, how do you think we did, Owen? Yeah? You just want to eat the M&Ms. Seriously, the M&Ms came like this. There's so many blues. That's crazy. How is he gonna drink that all? You can tell you're enjoying it.
I'm telling them you're doing this.
You like it? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed our video today. Give us a thumbs up, right, Omi?
Yeah.
So give us a thumbs up.
Give a thumbs up.
Thumbs up and subscribe if you're not. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
If you like this video, I just want to get on YouTube.
Bye.
What did he say? What did he say? If you like
I
this
think
video,
he
what?
said click on YouTube or something.
Oh. Okay, we're gonna be right back. Make sure you don't eat the cookies yet. Okay, we're gonna go get one more ingredient for the smoothie.
Okay, get 9. 9. Hannah, I love you. Bye. I love you. Welcome to Omi's milkshake video. Hi guys. Today we're doing a milkshake time with my best friend sister. Okay, gonna make a smoothie. Oh, so what are you, sister?
I'm back. Hi, Owen.
Good boy, you love cookies.
Oh, you did so good.
Were you vlogging?